So quick video, this is the wiper arm or wiper link with the motor. To take this off the car, you've got 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. You'll see those after you take off the plastic cover, which literally just pops off. I'll show you that in a second. And if you do clean this, what you want to do is take this bit out. It pops out like that. You've got a C-clip there. Take off the C-clip with some pliers, push it there against the C-clip and that'll pop off. You can see that C-clip there. Once you've got the C-clip off, that should literally, it should theoretically come straight out, but it does get a bit rusty and it starts getting wedged in there. Whatever you do not make the fatal mistake of hammering this end, because I did that and I nearly lost a thread, and believe me, you will lose your thread. So what I had to do is literally just cut slightly a bit off the top there, only ever so slightly, to get the thread back. So do not hammer on those ends whatever you do. And then if you have a problem with the earthing, which I think is the problem, you've got 4 clips here, 1, 2, 3, 4, wedge them out and this cover will come off and you'll see 3 clips close together and 1 clip separately. So there's 4, not clips, electrical contacts, which I'll show you in the next video. And one of them is your earth, which sometimes doesn't touch the metal bit. And all you need to do is just bend those out a bit. I'll show you in the next pattern. So this clip here, you can just see there. If you just bend that back a bit, I believe that's the earth wire. Let's show you from a different angle. There you go. So I've just already bent it up a bit, and that connects to this, I believe. It touches this piece here. Right there. That's what it needs to touch. And I think it just comes away from there. Okay, I've just plugged it all back in. There's the connector there, just pulls off. You've got a clip, pull up the clip first and then pull it out. And let's give it a quick go. So, ignition's already on. Wiper blade's going on. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, would you look at that? It is working. It is working. So, all I've done, cleaned this up, re-greased them. That one and that one, re-greased it. And taken the motor cover off. There's a plastic cover, as I said earlier. Pull those 4 pins out a bit, ever so slightly, because if you do too much you will break them and you don't want to do that. And there's an earth one which is kind of hidden, and I will show you that again. But there we go, it's all working. Put it all back together. Now when you put it back together, you got some plastic covers here, here. Don't forget this, please. Okay, so here in England it's currently 0 degrees Celsius, it's freezing. I would love to show you how I took it off, but I'm going to show you how to put it back in. So to take it off, you just do the reverse. So here we go. Remember, 3 bolts, 1, got 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. Come over here. This is the connection. Let's do this. Click. In there. Don't forget the plastic bits. So this goes on here. This goes on here. Line it up. So got 1, 2, 3. Very easy. It says a quick test. It's still working. He's in. Yeah?
Yep, it's working.
Okay, cool, so that's on. Now you're going to want to put the plastic trim back on. It's very easy, no screws, nothing. Literally, I can show you. Look here. It goes along, sits along the groove here. If you look at the back here, I don't know if I can show. That groove literally slots in there. Now, be careful when you take this off. You've got the washer. You've got the washers. The water comes out from here. You don't need to take those off. Just move it out the way and try and work around it. Okay. Right. Let's see. Can we get this? So, right, see the washer first, just catch it in the middle there, that's it. There we go, nice click. If I'm not going in now, I'll also just quickly clean that out. Then I'm going to put this back on. And then it goes on the groove. So it covers the plastic panel a little bit. First one. This does bend. There we are, after a couple of days fixing the wipers. Let's see if they still work. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh yes, we can see again despite all this snow. Wipers are working. Yeah, horrible noise, but they're working.